Think the only way to get priority boarding on a cruise is by paying for an expensive VIP package? Think again. Every sailing, thousands of passengers walk right past long boarding lines, using strategies that have nothing to do with luxury suites or costly upgrades. Some qualify through loyalty programs. Others simply know which request to make before they arrive at the terminal. In this video, we're counting down 8 ways experienced cruisers get priority boarding without paying extra for premium packages. Some can save you hours of waiting. Others can completely transform your embarkation day experience. And trust me, the number one strategy is surprisingly simple, yet most passengers never think to use it. Number 8. The VIP pricing myth. Many first-time cruisers assume priority boarding is reserved for passengers willing to spend hundreds, or even thousands, on VIP packages. That's not always true. While premium packages often include priority embarkation, they're far from the only way to skip long terminal lines. In fact, many experienced cruisers qualify for faster boarding through loyalty programs, accessibility accommodations, special promotions, or simply choosing the right check-in time. The result? They board earlier without paying for expensive upgrades. Before spending extra money on VIP perks, it's worth understanding what benefits may already be available to you. Key point: priority boarding isn't always a luxury perk. Many passengers qualify through alternative programs and accommodations. But knowing VIP packages aren't required is only the beginning. Because next, we're revealing a simple booking step that can dramatically improve your boarding position. Number 7. The status match shortcut. One of the fastest ways to unlock priority boarding doesn't always require years of cruising. It's called a status match. Some cruise lines offer programs that recognize loyalty status you've already earned with another cruise line, hotel chain, or travel brand. That means passengers who have never sailed with a particular cruise company may still qualify for benefits such as priority check-in, dedicated boarding lines, or loyalty perks from their very first voyage. Many travelers never investigate these programs and miss out on advantages they may already qualify for. Experienced cruisers check loyalty and status match opportunities before booking to maximize benefits without spending extra money. Key point: your existing travel loyalty status may help unlock priority boarding benefits on a new cruise line. But loyalty shortcuts aren't the easiest way to move ahead in line. Because next, we're revealing a simple accessibility strategy that many eligible passengers never think to request. Number 6. The arrival window exploit. Most passengers focus on boarding time. Experienced cruisers focus on check-in time. When online check-in opens, cruise lines typically allow passengers to select an arrival window. The earliest slots often mean shorter lines, faster security screening, and quicker access to the ship. The trick is simple: complete online check-in as soon as it becomes available. Passengers who wait days or weeks often discover the earliest arrival windows are already gone. One traveler checked in immediately when reservations opened and was on board enjoying lunch while others were still waiting outside the terminal. A few minutes of planning can save hours on embarkation day. Key point: the earliest available arrival windows usually go to passengers who complete online check-in first. But arriving early isn't the only way to speed through the terminal. Because next, we're revealing a little-known accommodation that can provide priority boarding for eligible passengers. Number 5. Bypassing the terminal bottleneck. One of the biggest delays on embarkation day isn't boarding the ship, it's getting through the terminal. Thousands of passengers often arrive during the same few hours, creating long lines at baggage drop-off, security screening, and check-in counters. But experienced cruisers know that avoiding these bottlenecks is often easier than skipping the boarding line itself. The secret is timing. Many travelers either arrive extremely early within their assigned check-in window or wait until the initial rush has passed. Both strategies can dramatically reduce waiting times compared to arriving during peak periods. Some cruise terminals process passengers in waves, meaning a difference of just 30 minutes can result in a completely different experience. Instead of standing in crowded queues, savvy cruisers are already on board exploring the ship. Key point: beating the terminal crowd is often more important than finding a faster boarding lane. But avoiding congestion isn't the most overlooked priority boarding advantage. Because next, we're revealing how certain passengers qualify for expedited boarding without paying a single dollar extra. Quick question: what's the longest you've ever waited to board a cruise ship? Was it 30 minutes, An hour? Longer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying these cruise boarding tips, hit that like button. It helps more travelers discover these hidden strategies before their next sailing. Because coming up, we're revealing accessibility accommodations, guest service requests, and the little-known trick that helps some passengers board ahead of the crowd without paying for expensive VIP packages. And trust me, the #1 strategy is something almost anyone can use. Number 4, securing the first hour advantage. Most passengers think priority boarding is about getting on the ship first. Experienced cruisers know it's about what happens after you board. The first hour on board is often the quietest time of the entire voyage. Restaurants are less crowded, guest services lines are shorter, and popular reservations are easier to secure. That's why seasoned travelers do everything possible to board early. One cruiser boarded just 45 minutes ahead of the main rush and managed to reserve specialty dining, book spa appointments, and explore the ship before most passengers even stepped on board. That early access can set the tone for the entire vacation. Key point: the real value of priority boarding isn't the shorter line. It's the extra time you gain on board before the crowds arrive. But getting on board early isn't the most powerful advantage available, because next, we're revealing a little-known guest services strategy that can move eligible passengers ahead of the crowd. Number 3, the accessibility priority boarding advantage. One of the most misunderstood priority boarding options has nothing to do with loyalty status or expensive cruise packages. It's accessibility assistance. Passengers with mobility limitations, recent surgeries, medical conditions, or other qualifying needs may be eligible for expedited boarding procedures designed to make embarkation safer and more comfortable. The surprising part? Many eligible travelers never request these accommodations because they assume they're reserved for wheelchair users only. In reality, cruise lines often provide assistance for a much wider range of circumstances. Experienced cruisers know to contact the cruise line before sailing rather than waiting until they arrive at the terminal. Submitting requests early allows staff to prepare appropriate accommodations and boarding arrangements in advance. The result is often a smoother embarkation process and significantly less waiting. Key point: if you have a legitimate medical or mobility concern, requesting assistance before sailing may unlock boarding accommodations you didn't realize were available. But accessibility services aren't the most overlooked way to move through the terminal faster. Because next, we're revealing a simple guest services strategy that experienced cruisers use to gain priority treatment without purchasing a VIP package. Number 2, the guest services advantage. Most passengers wait until boarding day to ask for help. Experienced cruisers start much earlier. Before you're sailing, cruise lines often allow passengers to contact guest services regarding special circumstances, celebrations, mobility concerns, or travel-related issues. While this doesn't guarantee priority boarding, resolving concerns before arrival can sometimes result in smoother check-in and faster processing at the terminal. The key is being proactive, polite, and communicating early. Passengers who wait until they reach the port often find themselves standing in longer lines while issues are resolved. Key point: addressing special requests before embarkation day can help eliminate delays and create a smoother boarding experience. But even this strategy isn't the most effective way to gain priority treatment. Because number 1 is a simple move experienced cruisers use on almost every sailing. Number 1, the online check-in race. The most effective priority boarding strategy doesn't happen at the cruise terminal. It happens weeks before your cruise even begins. Experienced cruisers know that the moment online check-in opens, the race for the best arrival windows starts. Cruise lines typically release boarding times on a first-come, first-served basis, and the earliest slots often go to passengers who check in immediately. While others wait days or even weeks, savvy travelers are already securing prime boarding positions. One frequent cruiser sets a calendar reminder for the exact minute check-in opens and consistently receives one of the earliest available arrival times. The result? Shorter lines, faster security screening, earlier access to the ship, and a much smoother embarkation experience. The best part is that it costs absolutely nothing. Key point: the closest thing to free priority boarding is completing online check-in the moment it becomes available. And now you know the 8 smartest ways experienced cruisers skip long boarding lines without paying for expensive VIP cruise packages. So, which of these priority boarding strategies surprised you the most? Have you ever skipped a long cruise terminal line without paying for a VIP package? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise secrets, money-saving travel hacks, and insider strategies experienced cruisers use every sailing. Before you book your next cruise, check out the video on your screen now. Because sometimes the smartest cruise upgrades don't cost a penny. You just need to know where to look.